once have I broken a lamp. Good day, sir. God, I hope he's got insurance.
Of course he's got insurance. He's been at this location for 40 years.
Yes, you heard me right. Cancel my husband's life insurance. He's been in perfect health for 40 years. We're selling the lamp store and going to travel. We need this after losing both our children. Good day, sir.
Ладно, тебе все понятно.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kentucky State Police. Someone has hijacked the emergency alert system and has played a Family Guy clip over the air using the EAS system. If you was the one who caused this, just know by doing what you did is how you face heavy fines and you can very likely face jail time. Kentucky State Police is currently investigating to find out the suspect. This concludes this message. Regular programming shall resume.
With everything alone. We move forward together or not at all. Как мило. Но мне твоя помощь не нужна.